Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Mohar, and I'm back today with another very inspirational story for you on your very own channel. The inspirational person I'm introducing to you today on your channel is Indian revolutionary Durgavati Devi, also called as Durga Bhabi. She was an Indian freedom fighter and revolutionary. She was among the handful of women revolutionaries who actively participated in the armed revolution against the British Raj to get India freedom. She is best known for her action of helping Bhagat Singh and Rajguru escape post they had assassinated British officer Saunders. She was the wife of Hindustan Socialist Republican Association HSRA, which was a revolutionary organization member Bhagwati Charan Vora's wife. Other members of HSRA referred to her as Bhabi or elder brother's wife, and hence she became popular in Indian revolutionary circles as Durga Bhabi. I will share much more about her further in the video. But before we go on to more about her, I wanted to share with you a brief about the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I started this channel in May 2020, and in a short span of about 1 year 5 months we have got over 600 subscribers and 17,000 viewers. My mission is to change the thought process and ensure that the present and coming generations live by the eternal human principles. These principles, such as loyalty, integrity, respect for diversity, womanhood, respect for the elders, are eternal, do not change over time and place, and living by these principles is the only sure shot way to success. Towards this mission, I have a Facebook group and a WhatsApp group which have about 900 and 200 members respectively, and thanks to your support this channel has over 623 subscribers as on date. I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly join our mission by subscribing to the channel, and also share these videos with your friends and family, especially young children in your family, as the values which I instill through stories here are critical for success in life. Please subscribe to the channel and also ensure that your friends and family also subscribe to the channel and join our mission. Coming back to our story, Durgavati Devi, or Durga Bhabi as she was popularly known as, was born on 7th October 1907. She was married off at the young age of 11 years to Bhagwati Charan Vora, as was the trend at that point of time. She became an active member of Naujawan Bharat Sabha, another revolutionary organization, and came into prominence in the organization when the Sabha, the Naujawan Bharat Sabha, decided to celebrate the 11th anniversary of Kartar Singh's martyrdom on 16 November 1926 at Lahore. She was instrumental in helping Bhagat Singh and Rajguru Shivram escape after killing J.P. Saunders, a junior British officer. She was also on the forefront of the armed revolution, and she actively participated in many assassination attempts against British officers in order to ensure that they gave India freedom. She was also known to have led the funeral procession of Jatindra Nath Das, another famous revolutionary who sacrificed his life in Lahore jail after a 63 days fast to protest against British dominion in India. When his body was moved from Lahore to Calcutta by train, Durgavati Devi or Durga Bhavi led the funeral procession by train up to Howrah. At Howrah, Subhash Chandra Bose or Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose received the body of Jatindranath Das and called him the Daichi of India. Like I said, her revolutionary activities continued unabated and she gave her whole and soul to ensure India's freedom. 1929, when Bhagat Singh voluntarily surrendered himself after the bombing of the assembly, Durga Devi attempted to assassinate Lord Haley. He escaped, but she was successful in assassinating many of his associates, and she was caught and imprisoned for 3 years for that. She also sold off all her gold ornaments for INR 3000 rupees in those days, 1926 1929, to help Bhagat Singh and his comrades who were under trial. Devi and her husband also actively helped another revolutionary, Vimal Prasad Jain, who was an HSRA member and was running a bomb manufacturing unit under the disguise of Himalayan toilets at Qutub Road in New Delhi. There, she actively participated in bomb making and she was also involved in multiple bomb throwing incidents to ensure the British left India and India got freedom. Here I would like to share with you a very important incident in her life where she helped Bhagat Singh and Rajguru escape after they had assassinated the British officer Saunders. 2 days after killing Saunders, Sukhdev called Durga Bhabi for help on 19 December 1928. Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev went to her house. Sukhdev, to test Durga Bhabi and to test whether Bhagat Singh will be recognized, ensured that Bhagat Singh shaved off his beard, he cut his hair short, and he dressed in western clothes. And he introduced Bhagat Singh to Durga Bhabi as a new associate in the revolution. Durga Bhabi could not recognize him. Sukhdev then smiled and reintroduced Bhagat Singh to Durga Bhabi and said, "You know Bhagat Singh, if you could not recognize him, I am sure he will not be recognized by anyone." And so they formed a plan for Rajguru and Bhagat Singh to escape from Lahore. They took a train from Lahore to Calcutta on 20th December 1921. Durga Bhabi carried her son Sachin on her lap and posed as the wife of Bhagat Singh, and Rajguru posed as their servant and carried their luggage. They booked 2 first-class tickets and 1 third-class ticket for Rajguru. Both Rajguru and Bhagat Singh carried revolvers and were armed so as to meet any outward incident that takes place. Luckily, the journey passed without any incident and they broke the journey at Lucknow. From Lucknow, Rajguru went on to Banaras and Bhagat Singh, Durga Bhabi and infant Sachin continued on to Howrah. After she had dropped off Bhagat Singh to Howrah railway station, Durga Devi returned to Lahore along with her son. Post-independence, she lived in Ghaziabad and opened a school for poor children at Lucknow. She died on 15 October 1999 at the ripe old age of 92. Friend, armed revolutionary, among a handful of women in India who took part in the armed revolution against the British. She played a major role in bomb attacks and assassination attempts of British officers. She was also instrumental in helping Bhagat Singh and Rajguru escape after they had assassinated British officer Saunders. She will go down in history as one of the forerunners of women in the freedom movement. One of the very handful of women who believed in armed revolution, she actively engaged in bomb making and assassination attempts. She lived to see her dream come true of an independent India, and she died at a ripe old age of 92 in 1999. She did not claim credit for her activities, unlike many freedom fighters, and she lived in relative anonymity, and she helped open a school for poor children. She is a shining example of patriotism for a generation of Indians to come. Friends, I am sure you like these inspirational videos of some of the best of mankind, which I share with you on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I request all of you to kindly join my mission of changing the thought process of the present and coming generations so that they live by the eternal human principles. Please subscribe to the channel, like our videos so that we are encouraged, and also share these videos with your friends and family. Encourage them to subscribe to our videos, our channel, and join our mission. Our mission is critical for the future success of mankind. I will be back very soon with another very inspirational video for all of you on your favorite channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Till we meet again, good luck, all the best, stay safe.